Okay, today we are doing intro to logarithms. So a logarithm answers the question, how many of one number do we need to multiply to get another number? So for example, how many 2's do we multiply to get 8? Well, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so it takes 3 2's to multiply to get 8. So the logarithm is 3, because we had to multiply 2 3 times to equal 8. When you're talking about logarithms, for this situation, we would say log base 2 of 8 is 3. Okay, so log base 2 of 8 is 3. It's the same thing here. If we had 2 to the third power, it equals 8. Okay, so this is saying your logarithm is 3. It takes 3 2's to multiply it to equal 8. So this is your base, right? The number that's raised to exponents is we have a base of 2. So they say that with the logarithm. Log base 2 of 8 is 3. Okay, so what we're going to be looking at are examples where it's written in exponential form and you're going to convert it to logarithmic form. Okay, so the shortcut is kind of think of a spiral. Start at your base and then you're going to spiral around. So log base 2 of 8 is 3, or equals 3. Okay, so that's kind of your spiral. Log base 2 of 8 is 3. Okay, so for example, write this exponential equation in logarithmic form. Okay, so we're going to start with log base 5 of 625. So log base 5. Okay, so your base is a little 5. It's not as big as my G. It's a small little 5. Okay, of 625. So log base 5 of 625 is 4. Okay, let's do it one more time. So we're going to spiral. We're going to start with log base 2, so a little number 2, of 64 is or equals x. Alright, next one. So we're going to say log, we're starting here at our base. Okay, so log base 10 of x equals our exponent, 2. Okay, whenever they have log base 10, that's your common log. Okay, so usually they don't put a base when it's 10. For this they would put log x equals 2. Okay, this is your common log, so if you don't see a base, it's a base of 10. Okay, so it'll be some examples where you don't see a base there, and you need to know if you don't see a base, that means you have a base of 10. Alright, we're going to look at a few more and we'll just run through these quick. Okay, so log, remember it's a base of 10, so I'm not going to put a base. Okay, log base 10. Log base 10 is our common log, so I'm just going to put log of 1,000 equals x. Okay, let's look at another one. We have log base x of 16 equals 4, right? We have log base 3 of 81 equals x, right? Starting at your base, circle around, and spiral again. Okay, this one's written differently. Okay, my base is on the right side. Okay, so we can flip this to be 2 to the power of x equals y, right? So that my base is on the left side. So I have log base 2, right, of y equals x, right? And then we have a fraction or exponent. Okay, so we're going to say, do it the exact same. We're going to say log base 5 of x equals a -1/2, right? Nothing changed. Start at your base, spiral around. Here, we're going to have log base e of y equals x, okay? But we have another exception. Whenever you have log base e, okay, we're going to use ln. They usually use a cursive L, n. So this is called your natural log, and you use ln in place of log base e. If you remember, e, we've talked about, is just approximately the decimal 2.72, okay? So instead of writing log base e here, I'm going to write ln of y equals x, okay? All I did is instead of writing log e, I'm replacing it with the natural log, ln, and then I'm leaving of y equals x the same.